Daniels from eCPP Auto Parts, here with our new upgraded towing mirror built for any 2003 through 2007 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, and Tahoe, in addition to any GMC Sierra and Yukon. Our towing mirror is built with an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, a lower panoramic mirror, manual folding, and manual telescopic extenders which increase road safety and visibility. With our tow mirror's combined measurement of 12 inches by 7 inches and an overall length of 17 inches when closed, once extended it measures up to 21 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. In addition, our towing mirror comes with an integrated turn signal, same base plate, 3-pin mounting locations, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our towing mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.